Welcome to my channel Flowers Decor Ideas. If you don't set goals, you can't regret not reaching them. This too shall pass. If something is important enough, even if the odds are against you, you should still do it. Entrepreneurship is neither a science nor an art, it is a practice. Performance wise, you really need to be down in the trends. You need to do the hard work for a lot of reasons to build yourself as a performer, to get a sense of the audience. You work hard and to wonder, do I really want to do this? If you do what you have always done, you shall get what you have always gotten. Time is what we want most, but what we use the rest. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. The rung of a ladder was never meant to rest upon, but only to hold a man's foot long enough to enable him to put their other somewhat higher. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. People who say it cannot be done shall not interrupt those who are doing it. If you are not embarrassed by the first version of your product, you have launched too late. Change will not come if you wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are change that we seek. Courage is contagious. When a brave man हो गया बंद करें पीछे. A ship is a harbor, is a safe, but that is not what ships are for. If you are willing to do more than you are paid to do, eventually you will be paid to do more than you do. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. If the people like you, you shall listen to you, but if they trust you, they will do business with you. Do what you love to do and give it your very best, whether it's business or baseball or